This 2026 CrossRoads Zinger 260RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by CrossRoads RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features a desert interior, sleeps 6, external shower, microwave, LP detector, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 CrossRoads Zinger 260RL is 6,366 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to CrossRoads RV.